Struggling with various ports, tricky sealing, and low efficiency in new F3 electric testing? Lao An AV Quick Connector, one set or soft LA151, specially for low and high voltage ports testing, can adapt to large tolerances. Testing the explosion-proof valve of a battery pack. Use Lao An LA152 Quick Connector. With slots and magnetic section, the sealing does not damage the components. LA153, specially designed for the testing of ventilation valves. You can seal even in very small spaces. Testing the motor oil ports, you can use LA251, capable of both testing and adding oil. LA651, built in a stop valve, can handle all air tightness tests for cooling water pipes or liquid connection. If you want to do new F3 electric testing, one set is enough, convenient and efficient.